This video teaches you how to generate a random selection from data in Microsoft Excel. In a blank spreadsheet, enter your data headers. Right-click, then click Insert. Select the new A1 cell, type equals sign rand. Press Enter. Select the cell with the random sample number, right-click the cell and then select Copy. Highlight the rest of the random sample cells. Ctrl-V to paste. Highlight all of the data. Right-click, select Sort. Click Sort, smallest to largest. Review the sorting results. Choose your random sample participants. Now you have a non-biased sample pool for a survey or something similar.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.